I just got done voting. I voted with a court order. I'm gonna go through that process, but before we do that, I want to show you something. It's ironic that the street that I live on is called Clinton Street, and I just voted for Bernie Sanders. So when we win New York, we're gonna change this damn street name to Sanders Street. No more Clinton around here. Anyway, what I did was I went in with my court order. They looked at my name, they found it on the rolls because I am registered but has no party affiliation. So I showed them my court order. They tried to give me an affidavit ballot. Don't fall for that. Don't fall for affidavit or provisional ballots. Make sure to have them give you a regular ballot. If you have a court order, they must give you a regular ballot. Okay, now, I also met a gentleman in there that had the same issue as me, and this is what you need to do in order to do the process. If you believe that you registered as a Democratic Party voter, you switch your registration in October before the October 9th, 2015 deadline, go to the court at the Board of Elections in Manhattan. It's at 200 Varick Street between Houston and King. Go there. You're gonna go to the Board of Elections. They're gonna print out your records and they're gonna take you in front of a court judge, and then you can plead your case. Make sure you know your story. Have any evidence you have, just bring it with you. Don't let them tell you can't go see a judge. You have the right to see a judge. Get a court order if you can. That's the best way to vote today and make sure it counts today. If you cannot vote through that, I suggest to try to do an affidavit or a provisional ballot. I think there was something in the news right now about a lawsuit that was filed yesterday, and now the judges are saying that you can vote with provisional if you are an independent voter. So go out and vote. You might as well, even if they throw those votes away, you might as well try. If he even loses by a few points today, you can apply those provisional ballots before the elections are certified and they can actually flip the vote. So don't fall for any of the bullshit that anyone else is telling you. Try to get a court order first and get the right ballot. Don't let them give you an affidavit. If you can't do that, get an affidavit or a provisional ballot. And then make sure to vote in the Democratic primary, obviously. I will also post information on what number to call for a lawyer. You can talk to Bernie's lawyer and they can give you legal advice past this point. Thank you. Go out and vote. Let's win New York. I'm gonna keep going out and I'm gonna keep talking to people. I'm gonna get people out to vote myself. This is very imperative because I want to switch the name of the sign of the street that I'm living on. It shouldn't be Clinton Street. It should be Bernie Sanders Street.